I'm going to be showing you the new sticker tablets from Carpe Diem that match their new spiral planner, so stay tuned. This gets me so excited. I absolutely adore stickers. Ever since I used to go to the shop in my town where they had a wall of stickers and you would take, like, you'd rip off a little square. I love stickers. Can we just have a moment to I love stickers. I love stickers. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to go through each one with its planner. So let's start with the budget one because that's on top. I'm going to go through each page, then I'm going to give you my thoughts on the Carpe Diem stickers. This video is not sponsored by Carpe Diem, but I do get free product from them so I can design with it and they use it on their website and on their social media. So let's have a look at these. These are just sort of various stickers that go along with the budget theme. Here we have some little tabs with money signs in them. A page of squares, or almost squares, and they are the same size as the one that is in the planner. Then you have a bunch of little piggy banks with dollar signs. This page has some boxes and some checklists. These are for bills, what it's for, how much it is, and when it's due. Some money and a savings jar and some other little places where you can put in some dollar amounts or how much you've paid. You can write in when your bills are due with this little pig. Some flags and some more tabs with dollar signs and another page of squares. These little calculators are so cute and they have a place where you can put in a dollar sign. There's a little grocery sticker, some shopping stickers, coffee stickers, account balance, all kinds of ways to track your money. Some more boxes and with some little flags down here. I love this. It's the same as this guy but like the mini version, so that's really cute. Some more little boxes and that's it for the budget one. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay, we're on to the home sticker tablet. Now, I've had this sticker tablet for a while. It came out a while ago, but now they have a planner to match it. So I'm going to go through it quickly so you can see what's inside. You can see I've used some of them already. So this page has some quotes and words and some images. Same with this one. Here are some icons, a house, a phone, an alarm clock, plants. Oh, I gotta water them. I never water my plants. I'm terrible. I'm not a gardener. There's a piggy bank with polka dots. That's super cute. And some cups. Again, the squares that are the same size as the ones in the book. So here's the calendar where these ones will fit in. More squares, some circles, some boxes with checklists on the bottom there, some flags, some little icons that you can put into your planner, some words and phrases, some little tabs and squares and icons. There's some pigs here that if you want to budget in your home planner. Some words here you can change things around if you want to change up your sections. And that's it. There you go. Next, we're going into the Live Simply sticker tablet. This matches the Live Simply 17-month planner. And also, Simple Stories. Since Carpe Diem and Simple Stories are sort of like the same company, Simple Stories has scrapbook paper, stickers, and all kinds of stuff. They have a line that matches this, and that's called Spring Farmhouse. So all those stickers, all those papers, everything in that collection matches this planner and these stickers. So I'm definitely going to be using those in here as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the stickers. So again, we have some icons and some phrases. And then we have some circles and some hexagons. The squares that fit in the monthly calendar in the planner. Oh, I think this is my favorite page with the bikes and the... Look at these cups! Oh my god, I'm so excited. So excited. And the flowers. Oh, love it. Some boxes. There's a boot with the flowers in it. And some checklists at the bottom. Some hearts and stars and little labels. Some more phrases and images. Oh, I love these. They're so pretty. So pretty. All kinds of flags. More squares that fit. Some to-do lists and today and different images you can put in your planner. Some more boxes. And some banners and labels and things. Oh, so pretty. I'm excited. I'm really excited to get into these planners. I wish it was August. And then there's Oh Happy Day. And again, this matches the Oh Happy Day collection from Simple Stories. So I love using the Simple Story collections in my planners as well. It's a little bit more versatile. You have bigger images if you want, or you can put in tip-ins with the scrapbooking paper or anything your little creative heart desires. Okay, so let's get into this one. I think I'm most excited about this one. I love these fun, bright colors, and that rainbow just kills me. I love it. I love it. Okay, so here we have some llamas and those rainbows. Teacups. I swear I have teacups that match this. One second. See? See? They're the same. Actually, Paige Evans has teacups that match even better. Anyway, I have an obsession with teacups. I know, I'm getting help. And then there's cute little Polaroid cameras at the bottom, which I absolutely love. Next we have some circles and hexagons. Some squares that match the size in the planner. Labels, hearts, stars, etc. Boxes and checklists. Oh, I love this polka dot and the stripes. So cute. Some more icons. Love these flowers and those cute little birds. Some phrases and hearts. Flags. More squares. Phrases and icons. And that cute little rainbow. More boxes. Some labels and banners. And that's it. And this is the sticker tablet and the line that I'm using right now in my Crafternoon teas. So we used it in Edinburgh and I'm going to be using it in Halifax. Follow me on Instagram and you'll be the first to know when and where the next Crafternoon tea will be. Speaking of Crafternoon teas, I have an announcement. I'm so excited because I know that a lot of people want to attend these Crafternoon teas, but it's really hard because you don't live anywhere near the places that I'm hosting them, mostly because I'm in Europe. So what I decided to do is to have a virtual Crafternoon tea. I'm so excited. It's going to be in November, but I'm going to open the cart for 1 week only. It's open today and it's open for 1 week at a special early bird price. So check that out. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's at mycrafternoontea.com. And also the cart opens today for the Halifax event. Now that's Halifax, Canada, not Halifax, UK. And that's on August 10th. And the cart is open for that today as well. So you can check that out at the same link. And I hope to see you there. I hope to see you in both. So I'm so excited. Okay, so pop over to that link now. So now I want to show you a little bit about how the stickers work, how they stick, and all that stuff. We're going to use the accounts and passwords page because I'm too scared to use this one. So I'm just going to take a sticker and lay it down. Okay? It's stuck there, but it peels right back up again and you can move it around and it still sticks really well. And then you can pull it up again and move it around. But once it's been there for a while, it's not like it's gonna fall off. I've never had a Carpe Diem sticker lose its sticky and fall out of my planner. Once you put it down, it's there for good. But at the same time, don't be hesitant to try things in your designs of your planner because you can just pull it back up and put it down somewhere else. So it's great if you want to experiment and be creative and then you can change things around. One thing with some of the Carpe Diem stickers, I think it's more the 4x6 than these, when you put it back, you decide you're not going to use it and you put it back in the tablet, it doesn't stick as well in the tablet. But that's not to say that it won't stick back in the planner. I have had stickers that I've tried to use, then decided against it, put it back in my tablet, and then have that fall out because it doesn't stick to this slippery backing very well. So what I usually do is slightly overlap it onto the side so it's paper on paper, so it does have something to stick to. So it's not really holding on well to the backing, but it's holding on to this. Again, when you pull it up, that part where it was stuck to the paper is not going to have as much sticky as the rest of the sticker, but at the same time you're not going to lose it. I take the risk of putting it slightly off of its little slot so that I can use it again if I want to later on down the road. One other thing about this, so these flags, the color is printed, let me see if I can show you, I'll take this out. You can see that the color is printed outside of the flags. So when you put it on your planner, you're not going to get a white border around it, which is great if you're not using white paper. For example, these other little icons, they have a white border around it. So when you use this, if you use this, if I say I'm going to put it on that green banner, I'm going to have a white border around it, and that kind of bothers me. I don't like that too much, but for the most part I use white paper, so I will put it, say here for example, and you don't notice the white border as much. But other than that, I am so in love with Carpe Diem stickers. Make sure I get that a little bit off of its little slot there. No, I really love Carpe Diem stickers. The images are gorgeous, the colors are my happy colors, and there's a lot of choice. There's a lot of different images and designs and phrases and you just can't go wrong. I do have a video where I go through each of the planners. There's two 17-month planners, the budget planner and the home planner. And I'll put the video here so you can go watch that now because these planners are great. Next week, I will be decorating in the budget planner, so make sure you're subscribed. Hit that little notification bell so you don't miss that video. I won't be showing you my money, but I'll be showing you all the pretty stuff that I put inside. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. You can watch one of these two videos here while you wait for next week's video. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.